Hey everyone, Casey here. All right, let's do this. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of travel. Not just any travel though, we're talking about smart, strategic, wallet-friendly travel. Because who wants to spend their hard-earned cash on overpriced flights and tourist traps when you could be out there actually experiencing the world? Get ready to ditch those overpriced travel guides and unlock a world of affordable adventures. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this travel party started. First up, we're tackling the travel game changer, the off-season. Look, I get it, everyone wants to soak up the sun during peak season. But let me tell you, venturing off the beaten path, time-wise, can lead to some serious savings. Think about it, fewer crowds, cheaper flights, and hotels practically begging for your business. Shoulder season, my friends, that's the golden ticket. Flights are less crowded, accommodation prices plummet, and you can actually hear yourself think without the constant hum of tourist chatter. Imagine strolling through ancient ruins without having to elbow your way through a sea of selfie sticks, or scoring a beachfront bungalow for a fraction of the peak season price. Plus, think of the bragging rights. You'll be that savvy traveler, the one who cracked the code and experienced the destination like a true insider. Traveling during the off-season often means interacting with locals, discovering hidden gems, and really immersing yourself in the culture. So ditch the fear of missing out and embrace the off-season. Trust me, your wallet and your sanity will thank you. All right, let's talk flights. We all know they can be the biggest drain on your travel budget, but fear not, my friends, because I'm about to drop some serious flight booking wisdom. Get ready to become a master of airfare arbitrage, a Jedi of cheap flights. First things first, forget everything you think you know about finding the best deals. Tuesday at midnight? Gone are those days. These days, it's all about being flexible, being sneaky, and knowing where to look. One of my favorite tactics is the hidden city trick. Basically, you book a flight with a layover in your desired destination, but instead of continuing on the second leg of the journey, you simply disembark. Just make sure you don't check any bags. Another pro tip, be flexible with your travel dates. Even shifting your departure or arrival by a day or two can make a huge difference in price. Weekdays are your friend, my friends. And don't be afraid of red-eye flights. Trust me, once you experience the luxury of an airport lounge, you'll never want to go back to the land of uncomfortable chairs and overpriced snacks. All right, let's talk about a little secret weapon in the war against overpriced flights: incognito mode. Yeah, that little feature you use when you don't want your browsing history to be saved. Turns out, it's a travel hacker's best friend. Airlines and travel websites use cookies to track your browsing habits, and if they see you're repeatedly searching for the same flights, guess what? The prices magically start to creep up. By browsing in incognito mode, you're essentially becoming a ghost in the digital world. No cookies, no tracking, no price hikes. And while you're at it, clear your browser's cache and cookies regularly. You'll be amazed at how much money you can save just by being a little more mindful of your online activity. Use it wisely, my friends, and watch those flight prices plummet. All right, let's talk about a travel hack that's so simple it's almost criminal. Signing up for travel newsletters. Think of it like this. You're basically creating a direct pipeline to the best travel deals on the planet. Airlines, hotels, booking websites, they all have newsletters, and they're constantly blasting out exclusive discounts, flash sales, and mistake fares. Yes, those are a real thing. By signing up for a few key newsletters, you'll be the first to know about these incredible deals, giving you a serious leg up on the competition. But here's the key. Don't just sign up for any old newsletter. Be strategic. Think about your travel style, your budget, and your dream destinations. Look for newsletters that align with your interests and offer genuine value. And don't be afraid to unsubscribe from those that don't spark joy. So, ditch the fear of missing out and embrace the power of the travel newsletter. All you have to do is sit back, relax, and wait for those irresistible offers to land in your inbox. All right, let's talk about getting around. Now, I know renting a car can seem like the ultimate freedom, but trust me, when it comes to saving money and experiencing a destination like a local, public transportation is your new best friend. Think about it. No parking fees, no getting lost in unfamiliar cities, and no stressful traffic jams. Plus, you'll get to rub shoulders with locals, soak up the authentic atmosphere, and maybe even pick up a few new words in the local language. From bustling subways to charming trams, public transportation offers a unique and often overlooked perspective on a destination. Many cities offer tourist passes that give you unlimited rides on public transportation for a set price, which can save you a ton of money. So ditch the rental car and embrace the adventure of public transportation. Trust me, your wallet and your sense of adventure will thank you. Alright, let's talk about packing, because let's be real, who wants to lug around a heavy suitcase full of unnecessary stuff? Not me, and definitely not your aching back. But more importantly, packing smart can also save you a ton of money on your trip. First things first, snacks. I'm not talking about packing a whole pantry, but having a few go-to snacks on hand can be a lifesaver, especially when you're on the go. Think granola bars, trail mix, fruit, nuts, anything that's non-perishable, easy to pack, and will tide you over until your next meal. Airport and tourist trap prices are no joke, my friends. Speaking of water, let's talk about hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when you're traveling, but buying bottled water can quickly drain your budget and create unnecessary waste. Invest in a reusable water bottle and fill it up whenever you get the chance. Remember, packing light isn't just about saving money, it's about traveling smarter and more sustainably. Alright, let's talk accommodation, because let's be real, hotels can be expensive, especially if you're traveling with a family or for an extended period. But fear not, my friends, because there's a whole world of alternative accommodations out there that can save you a ton of money and give you a more authentic travel experience. Enter the vacation rental. From cozy apartments to sprawling villas, vacation rentals offer all the comforts of home at a fraction of the cost of a hotel. Plus, you'll have way more space, which is a godsend if you're traveling with kids or just enjoy having a little extra room to spread out. Staying in a vacation rental allows you to immerse yourself in the local culture in a way that's simply not possible in a hotel. And the best part? Many vacation rentals come equipped with amenities that hotels charge extra for, like kitchens, laundry facilities, and even private pools. For longer stays or when you're on a budget, vacation rentals offer an unbeatable combination of value, comfort, and authenticity. Alright, let's talk about activities, because let's be real, experiencing a new destination doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, some of the best things in life are free, and that includes travel experiences. Forget those overpriced tourist traps and start exploring the city like a local. Most cities offer a wealth of free activities and attractions, from world-class museums to sprawling parks, from vibrant street art scenes to historic neighborhoods just begging to be explored. Check out local websites, blogs, and tourism boards for free walking tours, concerts in the park, or open-air markets. Many museums offer free admission on certain days of the week or during off-peak hours. And don't underestimate the simple pleasure of wandering through a new neighborhood, soaking up the atmosphere, and stumbling upon hidden gems. Remember, travel is about more than just checking off landmarks and snapping selfies. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture, connecting with people, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Alright, let's talk about travel credit cards, because if you're not using them to your advantage, you're seriously missing out. Think of them as your secret weapon for earning free flights, hotel stays, and a whole host of other travel perks. But here's the key. Not all travel credit cards are created equal. You need to do your research and find one that aligns with your spending habits and travel goals. Look for cards that offer generous sign-up bonuses, reward points that can be redeemed for travel, and perks like airport lounge access, free checked bags, and travel insurance. And don't be afraid to have multiple travel credit cards. By strategically using different cards for different purchases, you can maximize your rewards and minimize your fees. For example, use one card for everyday spending to earn points towards your next flight, and another card for travel expenses to take advantage of perks like no foreign transaction fees and travel insurance. The key is to use them responsibly. Use them wisely, and they can unlock a world of free travel and incredible perks. Alright, let's talk about food, because let's be real, one of the best parts of traveling is experiencing new cultures through their cuisine. But eating out for every meal can quickly drain your budget. That's why my final travel hack is all about embracing the local markets and becoming a culinary explorer. Ditch those overpriced tourist traps and head straight for the heart of the city's culinary scene, the local markets. From bustling street food stalls to vibrant farmers markets, you'll find an explosion of flavors, aromas, and ingredients that will tantalize your taste buds and save you a ton of money. Not only will you save money by eating like a local, but you'll also get to experience the true essence of the destination's culinary heritage. Remember, food is more than just sustenance. It's a cultural experience, a way to connect with people, and a source of endless exploration. So, ditch those overpriced restaurants and embrace the adventure of eating like a local. So those are my top 10 travel hacks to help you save money on your next trip. Remember, traveling doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning, creativity, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone, you can experience the world without emptying your wallet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found these tips helpful. Safe travels! Catch you in the next video.